Hey guys, it's your boy Corey here, Real Men Get It Done. Today I'm going to do a quick video on a little bit about beard care, head care, and then I'm running out here to go to the barbershop so I can pull everything together to be fresh. Of course, I love showing you that video of how my barber gets me right. So let's get right into it. Beard care, hair care, how to specifically wash his beard, and some of the other tips and tricks that I found useful with maintaining bald head and a beard. All right, let's get into it. Real men get it done. We're gonna jump right into it. This video honestly is going to be showing you simple tips of how to wash your beard properly. Now, I am a big advocate. Typically, I have my wooden comb. Wood helps product get through the beard better than metal, and sometimes wood, metal or plastic pulls at your beard. But I have learned a detangler really helps me. When a day like this is the first thing in the morning, and I really want to make sure things get right as I prepare for the actual barbershop. So very simple. People ask sometimes in terms of washing the beard. I have several videos about how to wash your beard, but people literally ask me, how do you wash your beard versus your regular body? Because the whole goal is you can't take care of your beard as you would your normal body. So typically, for example, I'm at the gym mostly every day. I will wash my beard and prep all products before I jump into the shower. So yes, I'm fully clothed. I may have my shirt off because I'm at the gym, just to make life a little bit easier. But yes, I wash my face differently and my beard differently than I do the rest of my body. And don't let the water in the shower hit my beard and my face when I'm in the shower. It's simple as that. So I'm gonna show you my process. Now, I love Scotch Porter products. I used to be an ambassador for them. Even before I was an ambassador, I love them. It's an African-American owned company. Not even sure if it's still owned African-American anymore, but it was a brand I found, I loved, I trusted, and I used, and I've been using it for years. Now they've gotten so big, you can get all their products online. You can get it at Walmart, at Target, but use my link in Amazon and help a brother get a little bit of money back. So buy it through Amazon, you can find some great deals on Scotch Porter. But I simply do one of two things. A quick beard wash, beard conditioner. I'm not gonna go through my full deep clean, because once a week I will deep clean it. That means letting these products sit in my beard for 3 to 5 minutes. Today I'm in a hurry. I just want to get a nice wash, get it ready for the barber. So I'm just gonna do a quick wash and condition, combining these products together, washing my beard, drying my head, and then jumping into getting this head all trimmed down so I can be prepared to go to the barbershop. So one of the biggest things to keep in mind when doing your beard, it needs to be in cool water or lukewarm water. It helps so it doesn't just make your beard dry and bitter, dry and brittle, and it won't rip all of the current nutrients that you already may have in your beard. So that's important of why we want to use lukewarm to cool water. And the reason why I don't deep wash my beard every day is because, as I said, I am active. So I like to call this my general quick wash, because I give the one deep wash and condition every week to really get in there. But I'm so active every day, I want to make sure I can have a chance to wash it because I'm at the gym and whatnot. But I don't want to be stripping everything out every week, or every day, I should say, with that really deep wash and condition. So that is going to be my quick first step process to get that done. And then I will show you the products that I normally use. I'm just gonna use them very lightly as I'm going to the barber. He's gonna get me right. Don't wanna put too much product in there, but I just show you my whole quick morning routine to show you, again, how to actually wash your beard differently than you would jumping into the shower. All right, there we go. And again, when I'm doing it at the gym and washing it separately, it is just what it is. And sometimes I will have my face wash as well. And just go ahead and rinse my head off. Remember, keep in mind, I'm coming from the gym, so I'm sweaty. I may be a little bit of salty, you know, from the sweat. So I want my whole head to be taken care of before I jump myself into the shower. So I do all that with lukewarm water, and then I follow up with my products. So my three main ones from Scotch Porter is the beard balm, which I love, the beard serum, which is the beard oil, and I actually have a beard and conditioner spray. So it's no rhyme or reason of how you can use it. I just really go down the line. I switch it up, doesn't really matter. But I usually just use a tiny bit. And again, I don't want to have my beard to be heavy with products anyway, and I'm going to the barber. So he doesn't want his clippers to be going through a whole bunch of heavy products. And again, I love Scotch Porter because it don't be doing too much. It don't be too heavy or too greasy. So just a little bit of my beard balm, nice and thick. 1 spritz of beard serum, which is just Scotch Porter's beard oil, literally, and that's for my big old beard. So when you start maintaining your beard the right way, washing it the right way, maintaining it with the right products, you'd be surprised how night and day your beard will be, and you won't need tons of product. Because people ask me all the time, what do I use in my beard? And your beard, believe it or not, as it dries, will be soft and manageable and won't feel all crazy and brittle. So that's what I need to do for my beard care in preparation for hitting up the barber. As my beard got longer over the years, I cut my own beard, but again, I can't maintain all the shape and everything, so I go to the professionals when I need to. But I will go ahead and shave my bald head so I'm ready to go for the day, really, when I come from the barbershop. Number one go-to for getting my hair trimmed down before I actually shave it. And all of my stuff will be in my description link. Check out my Amazon store, a lot of game for beard care, head care, men's grooming, but I love the Manscaped. This is just amazing. It's dope. Manscaped, trimming it all down, bam. Then I have my micro touch for the beard care. Got a discount, well, not a discount code, but I got it in my Amazon store as well. Very affordable to get the hair down to where I need to be. And then of course I'm going to seal it with 2 of my go-to favorite items, which are my Bump Patrol, which I don't know where it's at right now, somewhere. My Bump Patrol, here it is. Bump Patrol, Bump Patrol, Bump Patrol, and then Game Changer, Vicks Vapor Rub. It really does. It just helps me pick up this trick years ago of watching even other YouTubers do this with men's beard care and hair care, but the menthol and everything just really helps reduce any razor burn or razor rash, and that is our goal. That's what we want to do. Right, so just wiping any excess hair that may have been on my head from using the Manscaped and my Andes clipper. And then we're just going to use the cordless head shaver to finish everything up. Now again, I love this, but I've had to learn it because I do have some still sensitive spots at the very bottom of my neck. That's why I use my Andes, which is a little bit of a closer shaver. I don't get irritation with this. So I hit that up to get that part, and then I'm gonna get the rest of my head, and I should be good. My only sensitive areas are really at the back, the very back right here. So that's why I want to be, you know, just paying attention to that so I don't get the irritation. My little trick, which I forgot beforehand, using a little bit of Bump Patrol before I start shaving. The Bump Patrol evaporates like immediately, and it just makes my skin tight. And I've also learned just through over the years, it helps with the irritation. So put the Bump Patrol on, it's literally already dry. And then now I move forward with using this. Again, the very first time I used it, I had to, I got some sensitive areas and I had to really learn it. And the biggest thing, as I said, like learning the very back of my neck, as I just mentioned to y'all, using the bump patrol to keep it tight so that it can get a good shave in. And again, it's pretty easy to use, and I don't have to, I can use a little bit of pressure, but I'm very sensitive when I get to that base of my neck. I don't go over it too many times, maybe just once with this. That's why I pre-shaved with my little Andy's wireless clipper. Again, all of my stuff, links will be in the description. Feels really good. Just shake my head out, make sure I'm not feeling any stubble. Use the mirror too, of course, but you know, I just go by the feel test because I've been doing this for a minute, so I can feel if it's any stubble by going against the grain and everything. So far so good. We rocking and rolling, y'all. Last step, a little bit of vapor rub on my head, and I'm running out the door to make it to the barber. All right, y'all, just a quick video, but man, life is just moving. If you care to know, don't mind sharing, but life is just moving. My channel, have my business, my cleaning company that's just been growing. So I don't have as much time as I would like to jump on and do my YouTube videos as I used to. But as I have a chance and opportunity, I still will. Just dropping knowledge for the brand, Real Men Get It Done. My cleaning business, the beard care, hair care, and whatever else I come up with. But thank y'all so much for rocking with your boy. Please like and subscribe. And outside of that, have a blessed and productive day wherever you are at. And until next time, Real Men Get It Done. Be blessed, y'all. Peace.
Ryan Little.
Here it is, look. Dang. I